Okay. Good morning, everybody. Meteorologist Matthew Hidalgo here with a quick little weather update for you this morning. And temperatures are starting off on the mild side, mainly hanging out in the 70s. A few of us to our northwestern counties have dropped down into those 60s, but Amarillo sitting at 73 degrees at the airport, down to Hereford 76, close sitting at 74 degrees. It's going to be a very hot afternoon out there, folks. So let's take a quick look at your computer model here. And temperatures are going to be warming up through those 70s, 80s, 90s. Again, a good portion of us reaching the triple digits during the afternoon hours. We are going to see chances of a few showers and storms, especially as we head into the afternoon and evening hours. And it does look like this specific model run is keeping the bulk of that north of our region, but we'll continue to keep an eye on it. A cold front's going to be making its way across the region later today as well. It's going to usher in some slightly cooler air. Temperatures will likely fall back down into those 50s and 60s as we get into early Wednesday morning. And then Wednesday is going to be a fairly seasonal afternoon. We should see temperatures get into those mid and upper 80s, pushing the low 90s, folks. And we will see more chances of a few showers and storms as well, folks. So talking more about these storms, let's take a look at your severe outlooks for today and even tomorrow. So today, marginal to slight risk, especially the further north you are in the region. It looks like that's where we could see some of these storms really favor as we go throughout later today. Storms do develop and become severe. Hail and wind will be the major threats. Ping pong ball size hail, 75-mile-per-hour winds. We aren't expecting tornadic activity, but we can't completely rule it out. The chance will be fairly low, and we could see some localized flooding. Now, it does look like as we go throughout your Wednesday, the best chances will shift closer to the southeastern counties in the Texas Panhandle, but the bulk of severe weather should stay east of our region over into portions of Oklahoma. We're going to continue to keep an eye on this today and tomorrow. Just make sure you have a way to receive any severe weather alerts. We do have a high pressure ridge that's dominating the region. That's what's kind of helping us warm up here over the course of the next couple of days here. That high pressure ridge will shift east. Temperatures will likely be in the upper 80s, low 90s Wednesday through the remainder of the week this coming weekend. Now, as far as any moisture chances go, models have been hinting at some better chances as we go throughout the start of next week. So let's take a look at your 6 to 10 day precipitation outlook. We have a 40% chance being above normal amount of precipitation for the time frame at the top of your screen, right around 45 hundredths of an inch of moisture. Again, models have been having a tough time really picking up on these systems, but we'll continue to track it for you here, fine tune the forecast day by day. But let's take a look at those highs for later this afternoon. Again, 90s and triple digits. Amarillo looking at high around 102 degrees, which is well above normal with our magic number at the top of your screen sitting at 90 degrees. So if you are going to be out and about today, make sure you're staying cool, drinking plenty of fluids. Again, we're going to go with a 10% chance for some moisture. Front will push through for a fairly seasonal Wednesday, low to mid 90s Thursday, Friday, and even Saturday. And then we'll keep our eye on the start of next week, folks. As we get into the middle to end of this week, it looks like rain chances are going to be taking a back seat to the forecast. But again, we got you covered. Just make sure you are staying weather ready out there. Have a great rest of your day, everybody.